quadrant 2x2, and again! 14 Maglev! Ah! Okay, calm down. And I use discount called Coupons to get a free sticker over there, which I'm not gonna get. So, as the first is this 2x2. What's this? Okay, that's a instruction manual. Okay, first turn. Oh! What is this monstrosity? At least it's a little bit smooth. Okay, it's the moment of truth. The GAN 14 Maglev. A credit card. Okay, that's the box. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna pass out. I think that's an adjustment tool. Oh, this is a GAN bag and with much smaller prints. The GAN 14 Maglev thing. So this has magnets. So... Wait, well, no way. For once in a lifetime, they changed the pamphlet. Thank you, GAN. I love you, GAN. Okay, this is from Cube Station. Now it's time for the real deal. Wait, how does it open? Oh! I can feel how fast it is just by touching it. What? It's repellent. Okay. I'm not even going to turn it yet. What's this? Holy cow! Yeah, I'm not gonna look at that. I'm gonna I'm gonna lose it, and where did that one go? I just lost it. That blue part. It's okay, I don't care. So, first turn. Oh my god. Wait a second. There's just a... Wait. Ah! What is this? 1 second. Wait a second. If I just... Wait. Oh, it just aligns magically. Ooh. Ooh. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and